action, sir.
Well, we're working on the vet this morning, trying to get everything taken care of, running the last bit of the
duct
air
work.
conditioning ducts.
It's coming along. That's
Trying to button up the sides of the paneling for the center console, and they don't fit.
Of course not.
They bump into the air conditioning system that was never meant for this car.
Well,
It was, but it wasn't. I mean,
but
it fits, it'll do the job, but it was never meant to be in this car. So it's like, okay, great, not a problem. So I'm not cutting his pieces. I'll let him make the decision as to if that's going to get cut or not. I'm not making that decision for him. I don't think that's right. So we got the center console in.
Yeah,
It's screwed into place.
Nice looking.
So this is the issue.
Because that is made for 69 to 74.
And this is a 75.
And the holes are, of course, different.
So
And I don't want to like glue it in. Or
Yeah,
do
I don't-
something
that- no,
half-ass. So
I tried to come up with a bracket of some sort that I could bolt into whatever when I was doing this, so that we have the USB port for charging instead of using a lighter, because he doesn't smoke, so that makes it easier, you know. And I haven't figured out a way to make that look a little more respectable.
I'll fiddle with that a little bit today.
You know, see what we can do that way. I've got to finish running the duct for the air conditioning, get this one tied in. I've got to take the handle off, push it down, put the wiring inside the handle, and then put the handle back up. Because even from the factory, the handle and the bracketing for it would actually keep the wiring, or help to keep the wiring out of the way. So we'll get that taken care of, trying to get the last little bit of wiring tucked up, stuff like that. So we'll see how everything goes, but we've got the paint correction guy coming today.
Yeah,
so
I'm ready
we're
to
gonna
be here.
we're gonna be pausing soon